Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Rainside Chat. It is wet and cold out there today. But anyway, I get up this morning, get a PM from somebody saying, you better sell all your Bitcoin now. And it's a video attached. Some guy named Charlie Ward and some girl with him. I don't know. They, like me, they claim we're not financial advisors, but anyway, they're claim. I don't know. I didn't watch the whole thing. I couldn't stand it. The stuff they were saying with, like, the inauguration hadn't happened. It's going to happen in March. President Trump's going to be inaugurated in March, and they were saying all this weird shit, and telling me to sell my Bitcoin. Well, I've been researching, analyzing, studying everything about Bitcoin since 2013. And I didn't start buying it until several years later after I was, totally convinced that, this was impenetrable and can't be taken down. I mean, if they want to take out Bitcoin, what they have to do is shut down the internet, okay? They're not going to do that because it will shut down the world, okay? It won't happen. And Bitcoin going to zero, I mean, it's ridiculous. It's not going to it's about to run out. There's not much of it left, so it's just going to go sky high. So you can do what you want. And as far as gold and silver is, I've been buying gold and silver since 2003 or whatever. For 10 years I bought it, because I've always been a coin collector. I've bought and sold coins. I know coins, okay? Gold should be at like 40,000 an ounce. Silver should be, $75 an ounce. And they manipulate it. They keep it manipulated. They hoard it. All these countries, they hoard all the gold and they manipulate the price so people don't buy it. That's the idea. Why would they hold the price of those two? So people don't buy it, so they can buy it. It's just like they try to do with Bitcoin. They try to sell off a bunch and make it drop, and they scare out all the little people. See, it's a scare tactic. It's what they all use. It's what the Democrats use. It's fear. They put fear into everybody over COVID, over everything else, and that's all that is. So I'm not worried a bit about my Bitcoin. It's going to go so high. I mean, what people need to be worried about, and I've been talking about this since, 2000, mid-2000s, is your 401ks. Because that's been in the works for a long time. They'll be coming after that. They've already taken pensions from people, from companies or places and stuff. They've taken stuff away. So the 401ks, yeah, one day they're going to come along and say, we need to borrow this. You're going to get it back. We promise. And they're going to take it. And the banks, who knows? We could have a bank holiday. They could shut down the banks. You can't have no access to your money. So it's like in 2008, the subprime mortgage thing hit. I saw that coming. I saw the market was going to crash. I had taken my ex's 401k, which was in high-end stocks, and I moved them all over into bonds, which was doing really good. Well, everybody lost 40% of their 401k that year, or more, or 60%. She didn't lose a penny. So then when it was over, then we moved it back over to the regular stocks. So, yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, but I was smart enough to know that, hey, move that money out of those stocks over to bonds until this thing crashes and then move it back. So, if you're going to tell me to sell Bitcoin because it's going to go to zero, you better have studied it for, a good 10 years and understand the blockchain and understand decentralization and things like that. Because, that's real upsetting, for someone to do something like that. I mean, incredible. Anyway, Bitcoin's at 38,000. It's and still in consolidation right now. It's probably, I haven't watched the videos this morning to get any idea of which direction it's we're heading. I mean, we're heading up. The long trend heading up has been going on for 5 months now, so that hasn't changed. In the short trend, you could have some drops here or there, but the long trend term is, by the end of the year, it'll be at 50,000 easy. If not, hey, I'll admit I was wrong, but I will say that by the end of this year, at least 50,000, if not way over it. So, look, Peter Schiff has been bad-mouthing Bitcoin since 2009 and talking about buy gold, buy silver, buy gold, buy silver. Well, guess what? He's been wrong the whole 12 years or whatever it's been. He's been wrong, and he's in trouble with the IRS or the federals for something he did illegal. So, don't listen. I mean, these people people don't know what they're talking about. Okay, they put stupid crap like that out on the internet about inauguration in March and Trump's going to be president, and I don't know what else they were saying. I couldn't take it anymore. So, you do what you want. I'm totally 100% confident in what I'm doing, and nobody needs to worry about me. I got gold and silver too. I got other assets. Like I said, I've studied stock markets. I've studied gold and silver. I've studied Bitcoin. I've studied real estate. I owned 7 houses at one time. I've done all those things. So I know a little bit what I'm talking about. All right. Well, I'll do an update on Bitcoin that's going to go to zero a little later. So y'all have a good day.